Okay. Right. Syllabus, sentences. Okay. This one. All right. This is the syllabus. Okay. Chameli and Javindu joined. Avindu is not there today. Right. Okay. So first today I will show you the syllabus that we have to do. Right? Syllabus mean all the sentences that we have to do. Right? This is descriptive sentences. Now, this is descriptive sentences, right? Descriptive sentences is you describe something. In short, I am a girl, I am good, I am a good girl, right? That type of sentences. No, no verbs. And right, nouns. Okay, if we start from descriptive sentences, we have to introduce now. We have to know. That means you have to know all these things. You have to know nouns, and which is you already know, right? Then you have to know singular, plural, right? And the rules, singular, plural rules. You have to know what the countable and uncountable nouns. Next is small children. You introduction of I am Misa, right? So you know these patterns. I am a girl. She is a girl. We are girl, right? Then you have to know the negative sentences like I am not a boy, right? And the question, is she a girl? Is she good? And negative question. What's the negative question of she is a girl? එයා හොඳ නැද්ද? How do you ask? Yes, Mutuli. Sandaru has a small problem. Mutuli, එයා හොඳ නැද්ද? How do you ask? Mutuli?
Is she not a good?
Is she not good? දාන්නේ if there is a noun. You can say, is she not a good girl? Right? හොඳක් නෙමේද කියලා අහන්න. එයා හොඳක් නෙමේද කියන්නේ අපි. එයා හොඳ ළමයෙක් නෙමේද? Is she not a good girl? Or එයා හොඳ නැද්ද? Is she not good? Or you can say, isn't she good? Isn't she good? කෙටි කරොත්. Right? Next one, adjective. So we did demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, my, our, your, like that. Quantitative adjective we did few, a few, little, some, many, much. Right? Other adjective also we did. And WH question like මොකක්ද අර bag එක? Bag එක, what is that bag? Where is your bag? Where is your house? Right? Okay. Next one, adjective and prepositions. Adjective and prepositions like ඇය maths වලට හොඳයි. I am good at maths. I am good at maths. ඒ වගේ. Right? Okay. Next one, prepositions. So I think, we have to do today prepositions and prepositional phrases. Then part two, past tense. These things you already know. Future, future negative, future question, future negative. Then comes part three, can be, can't be, could be, how to use must be, right? ඇය ලස්සන මගේ හිතේ හැටියට එයා ලස්සන වෙන්න ඕන. She must be beautiful. අන්න ඒක, right? Right. Maybe like that. Next one, sentences with verbs. First, we take actions. Next one, we learn simple present tense. I eat chicken or I eat fish. Okay, negative. Okay, I eat fish. She eats fish. What's the negative of that? Mutuli? She eats fish. What's the negative? Mutuli?
She is not fish.
She is not fish කිව්වොත්. ඇය මාළුවෙක් නෙමෙයි. ඇය මාළු කන්නේ නැහැ. She doesn't eat fish. Question, does she eat fish? Negative question, doesn't she eat fish? Next one, simple, fast. I ate, I wrote an essay. Negative. Mutuli, how do you say? Javindu, I wrote an essay. What is the negative of මම ලිව්වේ නැහැ essay එකක්? Javindu, I didn't write an essay. Right? Negative, did you write an essay? Negative question, didn't you write an essay? Or else you can use WH questions. Who did, what did you write? Like that. Okay. ඊළඟට present continuous, I'm going to school. I'm sleeping. I'm writing. Right. And negative question, WH. Past continuous, I was writing an essay. Next one, future, I will write. We discuss all this. Future continuous, we didn't discuss. Present perfect, we discuss, and we have to discuss present perfect continuous, past perfect, future perfect. Those are the tenses. And models, we have to model verb, we have to use can, could, should, must, might, may, might, right? Next one, shall, need to, have to, used to, we have to discuss. And some others like can be doing, must be doing. Then sentences patterns, right? And then reported speech, passive voice. So this is our syllabus, right? In our grammar class. Right. Today we are going to learn prepositions. Preposition is very important lesson because they assess your knowledge about preposition. Mutuli, your paper, I couldn't check. Actually, I forgot. Honestly, I forgot. I will check it, right? And tonight.
Okay.
Okay, right. So today we are going to do prepositions. Usages of preposition. That is very important lesson. It comes under, I have put it in descriptive sentences, right? Okay, let's discuss prepositions. right? Prepositions. So what are the prepositions? This is very important lesson because in the exam, you will get one question from prepositions. What are the prepositions? Muthuli, what are the prepositions you know?
In, at, on, some, any.
Yes, very good. Any ne? In, on, at, over, by, after, before, next, like that, right? Over, behind, because, right? Lots. So what do prepositions do? They also help to extend a sentence, right? Okay. So we can use prepositions in many cases. So let's get how to talk about a place. When you talk about a place, we can use prepositions, right? පොත තියෙන්නේ ඇඳ උඩ. How do you say? Yes? පොත තියෙන්නේ ඇඳ උඩ. How do you say?
The book is on the bed.
The book is on the bed. Right? මම ඉන්නේ ක්ලාස් එකේ. මම ඉන්නේ ක්ලාස් එකේ.
I am in the class.
I am in the class. So we use in, right? I am in the class. We use in for a close place. Like it. If I'm in the class, mean class එක ඇතුලේ ඉන්නේ. I am in the room mean මම කාමරේ ඇතුලේ ඉන්නේ. Right? You can say mama, I am at home. I am at home today. That means ගේ ඇතුළටම වෙලා ඉන්නේ. Right? You are at home mean you don't go to work today or you don't go to school today. You are at home. But it doesn't mean that you are always inside the house. Sometimes you may be in the garden. Sometimes you may go to the butit and come nearby butit. Maybe you go to the uh, shop. Maybe you go to the junction, right? Top of the road. But you don't go far away. You are always around the house. හැමතිස්සෙම ගෙදර අවට ඉන්නවා. That's why we use at home, right? Okay, you can say, I am at the junction. Do we say I am in the junction? Junction එක ඇතුලේ නෙවෙයිනේ. ඒ හරියේ ඉන්නේ. Junction එක හරියේ. I am at the junction. So you can use at home, at the junction. What else? What else? What are the other prepositions we can use to talk about places? Yes?
Near.
Near, yes. I am near a window. What else? I am, sorry,
Between.
between. Yes, the tree is between a shop and let's say, shop and a house, right? What else?
behind,
Behind. Yes, we are behind the school. අපි අපේ ඉන්නේ ඉස්කෝලේ පිටිපස්සේ. Next one, in front of. I am in front of the school. Hi, Avindu.
Hi,
Avindu,
teacher.
yes, Avindu, I showed the syllabus. Today I showed them the syllabus we have to follow, but I will share it on the group, right? In the group, the syllabus you also can go through. Today we are doing prepositions lesson. So at the moment we are discussing, we started prepositions with places. Okay, right. What are the other under the cat is under the table. The above,
Teacher,
yes, Avindu?
can we go beneath?
Beneath, yes, very good. Beneath is where we use this is very similar, right? This is beneath and under, very similar. When we talk about 3D images, it's better to use under, right? You can say the root is the root is beneath
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 the
the
soil?
beneath the soil. Yes, very good. That is okay. Or under the soil also okay. It's commonly used under, right? Or underneath. Underneath also we use. The root is underneath the soil. Generally with 3D images we use under. But let's say now this is sentence 1. This is sentence 2. There you say sentence 2. Sentence 2 is under the sentence 1. Sentence 2 is under the sentence 1. No. Here it's on a screen. It's not a 3D image. You can say sentence 2 is below the sentence 1. Right? That's according to the places. Generally, under we use with 3D, like things, objects, table, under the chair, under the bed, under the pillow, under the mattress, like that. Below is like this is a screen. So sentence 2 is below the even if you say be under the sentence 1, that is okay. But most correct one is sentence 2 is below the sentence 1. Right? Let's say now you can see let's say on the wall my chair, and this is, let's say there is a picture like this. Okay? So the chair is below the picture or underneath the picture or beneath the picture. Did you understand the difference? This is not a 3D image, no? Like this is the wall. 3D things are chair, table, bed, things, real things. Did you understand?
yes, teacher.
Yes, okay. Avindu? Avindu, did you understand?
Teacher.
Yes, okay. Right. And right. So likewise, and in, on, below, right? So sentence 2 is below the sentence 1, above. The picture is above the rack. Rack එකට උඩින් picture එක තියෙන්නේ. Or else you can say book rack is over also උඩින්. over the shoe rack. shoe rack එකට උඩින් book rack එක තියෙන්නේ. Right? Behind, beside. Mala is beside John. මාලට next කියන එක. Beside me next. Right? Okay, those are the prepositions for a place. Now you already know this, but I think we better write as an examples. Do you want to write this? Avindu? Avindu, do you want to write this, Muttuli?
No, teacher.
No, right? You know. But if you want, you can write beneath this, behind, between, at, junk, in, on, you know this. So like we'll quickly write with places we use in, at, on, next, near, under, in front of, over, above, below, beneath, what else? Beside. Right? Okay, let's quickly write the prepositions. If you want, you can write the examples, but don't write everything because you know it. If you want, write something like send this one, something like this one, you can write. Okay, but write the prepositions regarding places. Prepositions regarding places. Beside is next to. So if there are not familiar prepositions, you can write with the example. But don't write all. Huh?
Finish, teacher.
Finish. Okay, right. Next one. Now, especially special ones are above. The picture is above the rack. Can you ඒකට උඩ? Can we say picture is on the rack? What's the difference between picture is on the rack? Picture is on the rack and picture is above the rack. What's the difference between these two?
Picture is on the rack. Rack එක උඩ පින්තූර.
Yes, picture. දැන් හිතන්න, this is the rack, right? And this is the picture. So picture is on the rack mean rack එක උඩ මේ වගේ. Above the rack mean this is the rack and picture is on the wall ඉහළින්. Wall එකේ the rack එක like this and the picture is ඉහළින් තියෙන. On the wall, picture is on the wall. Rack එක උඩ නෙමෙයි, not on the rack, but on the wall, but above the rack like this. This is the, let's say this is the rack and this is the picture like this. Okay. If you say the picture is on the rack like this, this is picture is above the rack, right? Other one, over the shoe rack. Over also like that. The picture is over the shoe rack or over the rack. That's same. And beside it next to Malai. So Mutuli is beside Sandaru. Sandaruට එහා පැත්තේ මුතුලි ඉන්නේ. Right? Okay. Below is යට. Like I explained you, under, below. Right. Next one. Next one, directions. Regarding directions. Right? Okay. Directions mean මම ඉස්කෝලේට ගියා. කියන්නේ කැනකට ගියා. Definitely you use to with go and come. I go to school. I come to Candy. Like that. You use to with go and come, right? But you don't use to with home. I go home, I come home, right? Okay. Next one. Biscuit tika බෝතලයට දාන්න. How do you say? Biscuit tika බෝතලයට දාන්න. What's the preposition you use? Yes? Into. Put the biscuits into the, put the biscuits into, තුලට, ඇතුලට, into the tin. Put the biscuits into the tin. Right? Put the biscuits into the tin. Into mean ඇතුලට. Right? Okay, let's see. අඩි 10ක් පොළව තුලට මේ ස්විච් එක බලන්න. earth wire එක අඩි 10ක් පොළව තුලට වලලන්න. How do you say? earth wire එක, you know earth wire? earth wire එක අඩි 10ක් පොළවට වලලන්න ඕන. How do you say? Amindu? Yes, Mutuli?
Teacher වලලන්න.
Bury.
please bury earth wire beneath the soil under the under 10 meters.
Okay, into the, right? Okay, our once this came for A, this is a A-level question, right? Some time ago, right? About, so they asked, they have to say the answer was පොළවට වලලන්න ඕන earth wire එක කියන එක, right? That was the answer. So children have written, English medium children, bury the earth wire, right? This sentence then පොළවට වලලන්න, in the ground. Bury the wire in the ground. පොළවට